don't start after, you know, once it's cooled down. Basically what's going on is the ignition and everything, you know, like the power turns on and everything, but except it doesn't crank the motor. So after switching out the ignition switch, you know, I'm doing a lot of YouTube videos, I'm pretty sure I found the problem, and there's a wire in there that disconnected a little bit, and you just need to solder it back together. These things get hot, you know, they turn on fine, the car turns on fine in the morning, but after you drive for like half an hour or more, these things get really fucking hot. So when you turn off and you try to turn it back on, it doesn't turn on until it cools down again. So that's the problem in my car. This is my first car ever. Back in 2012 I got it. It broke down, left it parked for 5 years. You know, decided, no, I'm gonna fix it, you know. So I fixed it. No, I didn't fix it, I took it to a mechanic. $2 grand later, they fixed it. It was running back better than ever until this problem started happening. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do first, take out these things. Just to let you know, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. Boom, 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 take them off, open it, and see what's going on. So this is a 2005 Chevy Malibu. So what I'm gonna do is get this big boy right here. Do I have the extension? Yeah, it comes with an extension. My Husky, I think so useful. Lefty, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remember that shit, guys. All right, so I'm gonna take these off. Yep, just loosening up. Loosen up. Loosen up. Make sure you guys take off the battery. I don't know how cars work, but you don't want to electrocute yourself. One thing you can do after you loosen it up, do that. Still more muscles in your hands. Oh, you're getting tight now, huh? Wait, did that make it loose? So I'm going to take this off. Sure. So,